Hey, what's up, guys? It's Chad in Long Beach, California, and I was just taking a relaxing day here, reading about a little bit about Jack Ma from Alibaba. You might know him as a CEO, one of the most successful CEOs in my opinion. But it reminded me of a story, a little bit similar there, maybe not so great yet. But me, I started as a mechanic not so long ago. I hated my job every day. I was miserable, grinding a 9 to 5. I was coming home, complaining to my girlfriend, and it seemed like there was no way really out of this grind. I came across a Facebook ad for Gireesh Samrat's course, and it really just changed my life. There was something in my gut from the beginning that said, just try this course. And I did, and within a month, I was having 5 to 10 clients where I was making $10,000 per month on how Gireesh Samrat taught us how to do the Facebook ad revenue. It was really inspirational, and I definitely think he's a mentor for me today. I mean, I'm relaxing and doing things I never was able to do before, taking vacations and enjoying my mornings reading. So if you haven't yet, I would really check out Gireesh Samrat's course. I mean, it's an amazing deal. Less than 60 hours. I was done within about a week, and I was making profit once again in only 1 month. It was an excellent course, and thank you, Gireesh, once again for hooking me up, and we're going to have a successful life together.